You know, it's a good cook hard to find.
You know, so she can cook, but customer service more important.
Remember, it's a good food important too, you know.
Babes, them pop throw you know, too close.
No, man, I just a saw them. I'm soon separate.
How long before you can move them here?
By next week, them are ready for move, man.
And by 3 months we can have pop throw, right?
That is it. By 3 months' time.
Yes, cause all I grown food them I get so expensive.
It's alright, babes. You see, that's why I decided to do the quick crap here. I know say after the hurricane, it would have terrible.
You know, say other day somebody support I shop and I give you some seed.
You know that, man.
No, sir. I family know where them a come from.
Oh, cause them only for GMO seed where them have right now, me I tell you. I not trust them.
That's why I prefer natural thing them.
I always go the natural way, babes. You know that, man. You know what I say? I hear something over 21 though. Bag a new argument me I hear about man I get too short. You know hear now.
Yes, sir. I go over there last week and I beard new face.
What you say though? Me tell you say you not go over there say without me know.
I just go over there go pick up some things, see, baby. I'm gonna leave.
Babes, you tell me say Teflon have on the prevent. The man they now go buy an order right now.
Well, all I'm on never forward booty do. Not that again.
And most of them youth that youth they grew up with, you know.
Yes, sir. Be a new face. Like it's a new scheme.
Babes, don't go back over there. Say, yeah.
Which my mother still over there, you know. I have cousin who live over there.
Well, yeah, don't go back over there alone. Just let me know.
I can't tell you the truth. I know why you follow me go over there. I'd rather go alone.
What you feel like? Them have a move for me.
I don't want to find out.
Suppose them try get to you to get to me.
Babes, when I go over there, I call a Uber. When I leave, I call back another one.
Alright, babes. That's why I know say I bless
Hmm. When last I hear from Vicious? It is.
you. You know what I say? Months me not hear from Vicious. But it is still about a month now me not hear from it. It's tell him some more and go and talk to him.
You ever miss a friend them and feel like my too difficult?
Honestly, babes, I really miss them like that. I really appreciate me the need for walk with family like that. Notice the family there around me more. I really happy. That's it.
Babes, my brother, you know, because they are focused on the farm, the research. But me, what happened to the studio?
You know, some music come with the vibes, babes. I have to feel the vibes. That's it. Just go and focus on the plan. Get them up on the ground. That's it.
I go with just a call him.
Greetings, Brother Tucker, Sister Tucker, blessings, Mom.
Well, it is.
You know, I don't go by that name anymore. It's either Robert or Mr. Morrow.
Okay, Mr. Murs.
Babes, get some water for me, please.
So what do you in the cup?
Babes, remember say me suck on them, you look thirsty.
I did it.
Yeah, David, brother.
So I look like you and the manners.
Oh man, no bother with that, man.
That's it, yeah.
So after I tell you, say, yo, you know, change up the thing and look, bro. You just disappear, so. About a month now it is.
Really say that, brother.
Brother,
Next day I'll go and watch
a
a
long time,
3-1.
yo, give me a hug, brother. Oh, so you still it is.
Everything good, man, butcher.
Now left your life, brother. Now let it go.
That's why you not see me for a month, man. See it, but I'm stuck in. This is a real deal.
Eh, come on. So you say legal now.
You mean? Yeah, man, the thing ready, butcher. A whole heap of rules, brother. So whenever we can stay out in the street, we get no temptation. You know them because we're there.
Oh, it is. Brother, far away I come from the youth. Whole heap of illegal thing holding our hand in the brother. Congrats, brother.
Respect, man.
So, whole heap of people you know, sir.
I mean, nobody no knows I have it. Just I go about my day to day said speed, man. You know?